Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we will study about collective nouns. So there is a separate playlist of nouns on my channel and this is the fourth video in that list. So you can go and check that out and there are other playlists also, the link of which will be available in the description box. Now without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into the video. So let us understand collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to a class of nouns, means category of nouns which denote a group of people, a particular group of people. It could be group of animals, objects, concepts or ideas which are taken together as a whole and or spoken as a whole. So in other words, we can say that a collective noun is the name of a group of people or a collection of things of the same kind. Class, team, army, swarm, bundle, bunch, these all are collective nouns because this refer to a group of a particular noun as a whole. Example, a choir of singers. Choir is a group of singers. A troop of monkeys. So here troop is a collective noun. A string of pearls. Here string is a collective noun because it refers to a class or category of a group which is considered as a whole. I hope you understood what collective nouns are. As a teacher, I truly believe that we should expand our vocabulary. Okay, so this is a list related to collective nouns which will help you to associate collective nouns in a better way through replacing some words. For a group of category of people, we can say a crew of sailors, a group of sailors, a gang of thieves, a group of thieves, gang of thieves, an army of soldiers, a group of soldiers, a band of musicians. So here a group of musicians is known as a band of musicians. So you can replace the word group with association of the following words given here. So there is another category, that is animals. So how you will associate different group of animals? Okay, the first one is a pack of wolves. So a group of wolves, you will use a pack of wolves. A coalition of cheetahs. The next one is a pride of lions because we generally associate a lion with having pride. So pride of lions. Next is a caravan of camels. Caravan means moving together in a line. So a group moving in a line together, a caravan of camels. So the last category that we are going to do is a category of objects. The first example is a bundle of sticks, a group of sticks. An album of photographs, a group of photographs. A pack of cards, a group of cards. A quiver of arrows, a group of arrows. So this was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful, and I hope it adds knowledge and value to your life. And if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this topic with your friends and your relatives. Keep learning and keep growing.